Hi, I'm new to YouTube. My name is Akila Williams. I will be making slime, and what you need some Elmer's glue. I only have a little bit left because I need some Elmer's glue and laundry detergent, and then you need something to mix it and mix with. So I got my Elmer's glue. Let me go get something to mix with. I'm not mixing anything. I'm just gonna mix on extra Elmer's glue. Then go pour some out. Okay, guys, I don't got much. I'm only making a drop. So yeah, I have this. I'm just gonna put. Actually, don't use. You can use laundry detergent or saline solution. Actually, I'm using saline solution. There's literally nothing in it. Okay. The shiny one. Make it smooth. Yeah, just so much. This was a fail, guys. So, my next video, I will actually try to do slime. I have to see if I got more glue or something. But I also just got a new phone. Let me show you it in the mirror. This is the phone I just got. My phone, but yeah, so, but, this is slime, but I have another slime ingredient I will be showing you guys. I don't know if it's actually worth, but this is the one I made last night at 3 a.m. It's a glue and just soap. It works. I know it will be watery when you put it on your fingers. Put your fingers into this, and then little things will come off your fingers. And then, yeah, just play with it, and it's slime. You have to stir it good. There's one of the slimes, but yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, that's slime, guys. See slime. Yeah, but that's good slime, so yeah, I will be back in my second video on YouTube. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys try the one with glue and dish soap. That was a good one. And then the one with the baby lotion glue did not work out. I know I said something else, but yeah. But the ones with the laundry detergent, saline solution, nice stuff, that one will work, guys. So I hope you guys try it out. Bye!